Have you ever encountered the scenario you log into your WordPress dashboard and all set to design your dream page with Elementor and no edit with Elementor button is in sight? And it's a head scratcher, right? But do not worry, I have been there and I have found the solution. And today I am going to guide you through the process step by step. And I will show you how to get edit with Elementor button back on track. Hello and welcome back to Sharp Skill, the go-to space for mastering WordPress and creating stunning websites. Today we are diving into a common yet crucial issue many of you have faced, the Edit with Elementor option mysteriously disappearing in WordPress. Fret not, because I have got the solution for you. Stick around, hit that subscribe button if you have not already, and let's get started on unraveling the mystery together. First of all, log into your WordPress dashboard. And have you ever logged into your WordPress dashboard excited to make some awesome edits with Elementor, only to find that Edit with Elementor button has decided to play hide and seek? Trust me, it's a frustration we all have faced. And go to your website and you say that we have no option for like Edit with Elementor. Go to the pages and I want to show you something. And you see that they are not showing Edit with Elementor. And when I click here on Edit, again there is not showing Edit with Elementor. So fret not, and today I am going to guide you step by step on how to bring the Edit with Elementor option back to life and reclaim your creative content. It is happening because it could be a compatibility issue, a conflict with another plugin, or just a momentary glitch. No worries, we will troubleshoot that together. Okay, so just let's get straight to the point. Go to the Elementor and then click on Setting. Go to the Journal tab and check all of these. But I think these 4 are enough. Then do not forget to click on the Save Changes. And now go to your website, refresh the page, and now Edit with Elementor is showing here. Go to your dashboard, go to Pages, click on All Pages, hover here, and Edit with Elementor is showing here. Just click here on Edit, and now Edit with Elementor is showing here again. And here comes the moment you have been waiting for. I have revealed the solution to get that Edit with Elementor button back on track. It's a game changer and you will be back to crafting beautiful web pages in no time. And there you have it. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow WordPress creators, and hit that subscribe button for more expert tips. Do not let technical glitches slow down your creative process. With Sharp Skill, you have got the power to conquer any WordPress challenges. Until next time, happy editing, and I will see you in the next tutorial.